Hello, and welcome back to N Raghav TV for yet another video. This time, diving into the Euros. Wondering where to know all the information about Euros at one place? Then you have come to the right place. In this video, we will talk all about Euros, all the information. So let's get started. So when does exactly Euros begin? The Euros begin on the 11th of June 2021 and go through till the 11th of July 2021. The finals of this Euro will take place on 11th of July at the Wembley Stadium in London, England. One of the most exciting parts of any international tournament is the mascot. The mascot for UEFA Euro 2020 is Skillsy, which is inspired by freestyle football, street football, and pana culture. Moving on to the main footballing aspect of the tournament, let me explain to you the tournament format. There are 6 groups with 4 teams in each group. The top 2 of each of these 6 groups will proceed to the round of 16 along with the 4 best third placed finishers. Location of UEFA Euro 2020. UEFA Euro 2020 is being held across Europe for the first time in the competition's 60-year history with 11 cities as the host. The 11 cities are as follows: London, England, the Wembley Stadium, St. Petersburg Stadium in St. Petersburg, Russia, Baku Olympic Stadium at Baku, Azerbaijan, the Allianz Arena at Munich, Germany, Stadio Olimpico at Rome, Italy, Johan Cruyff Arena, Amsterdam, Netherlands, National Arena Bucharest in Bucharest, Romania, Puskás Arena at Budapest in Hungary, Hampden Park at Glasgow, Scotland, Parken Stadium in Copenhagen, Denmark, and Stadium La Cruya Sevilla in Seville, Spain. Moving on from the format to the groups. Group A consists of Turkey, Italy, Wales, and Switzerland. Group B with Denmark, Finland, Belgium, and Russia. Group C with Netherlands, Ukraine, Austria, North Macedonia. Group D with England, Croatia, Scotland, Czech Republic, a group to watch for. Group E, a tricky one with Spain, Sweden, Poland, Slovakia. And Group F, the group of death in Euro 2020, is Group F. Group F consists of Hungary and 2016 winners Portugal, and contenders for Euro 2020 France, and also Germany, who can't be taken slightly. Before moving on to Euro 2020, let me remind you the winners of Euro 2016. Portugal won the tournament. Golden Boot and Player of the Tournament went to Antoine Griezmann of France, who had bagged 6 goals and 2 assists. Top assisters were Eden Hazard of Belgium and Aaron Ramsey of Wales with 4 assists each. And Young Player of the Tournament went to Renato Sanchez of Portugal. Last but not the least, where to watch Euros 2020 in India? Sony Sports Network are the official broadcasters of UEFA Euro 2020. They will live stream the games on Sony Live. Also, the games will be available with English commentary on Sony 10.2 and with Hindi commentary on Sony 10.3. Thank you. Thank you for watching the video, guys. Do like, share, and subscribe if you like the content. Also, if you would like to have conversations about football or anything in general, do join the Discord server, which is linked in the description below.